Hello guys, I am back with brand new video. Today I will be showing you how to create a custom contact form for collecting any information or for your business. After the completion of this video, you will be able to create this kind of form with further modification. So be sure to watch the full video without skipping any part. So before all of that, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can learn programming, blogging, online earning and many more tips and tricks on regular basis. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. For creating a form, first open any web browser of your preference, then type Google form. You must log in your Google account before creating form, so make sure to log in your account. Click on the first link that you get after searching Google form. Then you will get into this interface from where we can create our custom form and collect information. Now click on go to Google form. We can get already made form such as contact information form, t-shirt sign up form, party invitation form, but we will start from scratch and build our own custom form. So be sure to watch the full video without skipping any part. To create your own custom form, click on blank and you will get into this screen. Now you have to give some name to your form. I will be giving just a demo form for this form. You can give as your wish and you can even give some description below. I am giving contact us description, you can give as you like. Now here comes the crucial step to create a form. Now we have to ask some question. First question will be name. You can give anything as you like. Since name have some short answers, so be sure to select short answer. We will give required for this name. It means that a person must submit their name to get further proceed into form. Now second question will be address. And there is no any compulsory to type name address, just you can make the form what you prefer. We will make this address section compulsory too. Now another question is school or colleges. If you want the form filler to give their school or college's name, you can use that. And we will make this section compulsory as well. And another question will be phone number. If you want to collect the phone number of the form fillers, then you can use this. Here you have to select phone number have a short answer, so we should select short answer. And there the number will be automatically selected and you can make some customization, but I am not doing anything. We are making this parameter required as well. Now we will add further questions. You can add unlimited question to fill the form. Now another filling parameter will be date of birth. We will ask the user to fill their date of birth to submit the form and the category will be automatically selected for date of birth. Now finally we will be asking the user some questions like why do you want to fill this form. For example, if you want someone to collect their information regarding their education, or so you want someone to fill their form to get admission into your college, then you can ask why do you want to get admission into your into this school. We will make this parameter optional because all the user might not submit this. So now we have already made our form from scratch. Now we can use this form to collect the information. You can even add some images into your form. Just you can select on sidebar and browse your image that you want to add. I am showing all the steps on the video, you can just see and learn. But I will be replacing these images since this image has no use for my form. If you want to add some images, you can even add images as well as videos. If someone fills the form, you will get their information on the response section, which is at the side of questions. Since no one has responded to my form, so I haven't got any information. Now finally, to use, click on send. From here you can use this form anywhere. For example, if you want to use this in your website, you can copy HTML code, and if you want this form to get some information of the user, you can send this to your mail and copy supply the link for those who wants to fill the form. Now I am sending this form to my Gmail, where I will be receiving this form and I will be using this to collect the information. You can do the same. In order to preview the form, click on the top right corner preview, and you will get how this form look for other users who wants to fill the form. After doing all these, you can exit from here and get into your account, and this form will remain here and we will get the information after the user submit it. You can even change the name of this form from here. I will be giving the name as contact form. You can give as your wish. Let me show you a demo form which I have created for my personal use. You can see it looks very attractive with the image inserted on it. You can make the same form from here. Finally, if you find this video useful, be sure to give a like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.